What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Polygon. We're up 145% on the month in the last 24 hours. Not too much movement, but we've been pumping like crazy. So we're sitting at 72 cents, market cap 6.09 billion, 24 volume 1.13 billion. We just hit our take profit on our Polygon trade. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, just hang around to the end of the video. So, what we got here is an overextended wave 5 pushing up into this resistance zone. We already hit that target. Let's actually take a look. Take a trend base fib extension from the bottom of 2 up to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4. Yeah, so as you can see, we've already overextended all the way to the 100% target in the wave 5. It can continue to overextend, but we are pushing into major resistance. If we continue to push up, as you can see, there is resistance here that lines up with these fib levels, 85 cents, and then all the way up at about 93, 92 cents for MATIC. Would be healthy to see pullback, but as we've seen, many of the coins have been going parabolic with the Bitcoin dominance breaking down from the channel and the alt season starting. So you can see I've dropped in a resistance zone a little bit higher at 93, all the way up to about $1.04. I remember in the last bull cycle, $1.03 was a major resistance that we kept breaking and coming back to. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, this is a new chart since they changed their ticker symbol. We'll have to see how that plays out. But in the short term, we're pushing into major resistance. We've already completed a 5-wave move. I can give you a target if we pull back from here. That's not promised. Anything can happen. You can just go parabolic. I was looking for a pullback on V-Chain a few days ago and it went parabolic. So you just never know in the bull market. If we were to pull back from here, then you look for a bounce in between 52 cents and 39 cents. Incredible entry for either a trade or an investment position, in my opinion, before the next leg up. But it's not promised that we will pull back from here, but we are pushing into major resistance. Would be healthy, but price can go parabolic at any time. Let's quickly look at Bitcoin dominance, see how we're doing here. Yeah, so we broke the channel. So we'll see if we come during the month of December, we come for a retest. That would cause money to flow back in BTC, and you'd see a pullback in alts before continuation down. Or if we just melt to the downside, it's always possible. But usually you do come back for a retest before continuation. We'll have to see how that plays out. As you can see, we have the bearish cross on the daily. So it's looking good for the alts, in my opinion. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, as well as my daily crypto analysis for many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, we just hit our trade on MATIC, on Polygon. My Forex signals, and one of our members posting trade signals all day long. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. It will literally take you 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN required. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. It is available worldwide. Once you sign up, you get 10% back on every single trade on your fees when you sign up through my link. And then just send me email. It literally takes 30 seconds. And you'll get access to my daily crypto analysis, my trades, as well as one of our members posting trade signals. We have almost 3,000 members. I could charge $50, $100, but it's free. Just trying to help you reach financial freedom. Just sign up to Bitfinex. Takes 30 seconds. Send me that email. You get access for life. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.